Facebook Ads Manager Walkthrough. Hey there, my friends. Let's continue right where we left off on our last video, because this time around, we are going to give you a walkthrough a different part of Facebook, and it all starts right from your Facebook account. That is right. We are going to walk you through the Facebook Ads Manager, from where you will be able to create and manage your Facebook ads. This is the first step in your Facebook ads journey. So start by clicking on the menu button on top and then on the Create Ads option. Then you'll have to wait for Facebook to prepare your ad account, to connect your pages, and to finish getting everything ready for you. Now you will land in the Ads Manager main dashboard, from where you are going to be able to access all the Facebook ad features offered by your account. As you can see, the Ads Manager is first and foremost optimized to create ads right from the get-go. The main dashboard is organized for you to create an ad right when you feel like it. The first step is outlined above in the campaign box, where you can either create new campaign or use existing campaign by clicking on either tab. Right below the campaign selection box, you have the What's Your Marketing Objective section, where you will be able to select your advertising objective, and in the left-hand menu, you have an outline of each step in the ad creation process. From top to bottom, these are campaign, ad account, ad set, and ad. We are going to go through these in detail in a following video. So let's simply continue checking out the Ads Manager. Let's proceed by taking a look at the options in the top bar menu from right to left. First, you will have a Help tab, which you can click to get a condensed help summary with tips about using your Facebook ads account. Right next to it is the Settings tab, and clicking on it will lead you to the Settings section. In this section, you will be able to configure your ad account setup from the Ad Accounts tab. This account setup includes your ad account ID, which can't be changed, your ad account name, your time zone, and currency configurations, and your advertising purpose, which you can set as yes, I am buying ads for business purposes, or as no, I am not buying ads for business purposes. Then you will have your business country. Now, in the Ad Agency menu, you will need to specify whether you are an agency buying ads on behalf of an advertiser or not. In this tab, you will also be able to configure your account's attribution and to add ad account roles, if more people besides you are managing this ad account. In the Pages tab, you will be able to check and manage your Facebook pages. On the payment settings, you will be able to see your current billings, to add a payment method, and to set up your account spending limit, which is a useful feature in case that you are on a tight budget. And you will simply need to set your limit amount in the Account Spending Limit field and click on Set Limit. Finally, in the Notifications tab, you will be able to activate or deactivate all ad account notifications, to specify which ad email notifications you want to receive, and what type of ad notifications you would like to receive directly on Facebook. Okay, so going back to the top bar menu, you will find two notification icons. The first one to the right is the Pages Notifications icon, and the one next to it is a General Notifications icon. Now, the account icon with your profile picture will allow you to switch between ad accounts if you've added more than one, to log out of your ad account, and to simply go back to your newsfeed. You will be able to use the search bar on top to locate everything related to your Ads Manager, your Facebook ads account, and other information by simply entering a keyword or set of keywords. Now, you can click on the Menu tab icon located to the left to access the rest of the Ad Manager features. These include Audience Insights, a shortcut to the Ads Manager dashboard, your page posts, your analytics, your retargeting pixels, your saved assets such as saved audiences and images, as well as your billing. Finally, you can click on the Facebook icon to the far left to simply go back to Facebook's homepage, which is a helpful shortcut once you have finished setting up your campaigns. Tune in to our following video so we can show you how to create an awesome Facebook page from where you can run your ads.